We're back again with another video. Another little quick video. But we're not gonna be messing with the Corvette today. I'm gonna be replacing a fuel pump on a 2007 Chrysler 300. The other day it gave out. So yeah, that's what we're doing. I just picked it up. I'm on my way back to its location and swap it out. Y'all stay with me. All right, this is the 300 that I'm gonna be replacing the fuel pump on. I already removed the back seat. It had two clamps, one here, one on the other side. You just kind of pull up on it. And it comes off. But the fuel pump that I'm gonna be replacing is the one on the left hand side behind the driver's seat. We have one here behind the passenger seat, but that's the fuel sender, the leveler, or whatever it's called. And this one here is the actual fuel pump. Kind of cleaned it up a little bit so I wouldn't have any dirt, or don't want to have anything around the edge that might fall in whenever we have it off. So you take this off. Okay, we cleaned it up a little bit. We gotta keep this slanted as much as possible. All right, finally got it off. We're able to twist that off. It was on there pretty tight. I had to go and get me the tool for these fuel pump locks. I wasn't able to get it off with that screwdriver and hammer. But we got it off. There it is, the new fuel pump. It was easy as 1, 2, 3. The only difficult part was trying to take off that lock. I was gonna try and record myself doing it so y'all can see the steps on replacing the fuel pump, but that lock there was playing a game of tug of war, and I just couldn't record. I had to try and pop it off. Now we're gonna just go ahead and clip that back into place. That goes there. goes there. And that's done. Now we just connect the battery, the relay, and try it out. See if the pump turns on. We got the battery back on, the relay's back on. We'll go ahead and start it up for you. So you can hear the pump turn on. There it is. Mission complete. Fuel pump's on.